Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to talk about Crowdtap today, and if you are not familiar with it and you want a background on it, then this is the video for you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I upload every Wednesday my freebies and wins, and I also talk about these product review companies as well as do unboxings. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Crowdtap is a great way to earn gift cards. You get rewarded by taking part in polls and surveys. It is free to join. You sign up in under 5 minutes, no credit card required, and stick with it. The more questions you answer, the more points you can earn, and the more you can redeem. And most importantly, you get free samples. Test and discuss these products that you love, and you get to keep them. There are 7 levels total on Crowdtap. Level 1 is cardboard, and everyone starts off at this level. Level 2 is plastic. You reach this level by reaching 1,000 points. Level 3 is oak. You reach this level by reaching 2,500 points. Level 4 is bronze. You reach this level by reaching 5,000 points. Level 5 is silver. You reach this level by reaching 10,000 points. Level 6 is gold. You reach this level by reaching 25,000 points. And level 7 is platinum. You reach this level by reaching 100,000 points. Now, the benefits increase with each level. At level 1, you'll be able to do quick hits. At level 2, you'll be able to participate in discussions that you're invited to. On level 3, that means that you'll have the opportunity to host parties and receive samples. Level 4 raises your priority level, so earlier invites. And at level 5, you'll earn 5% cash back for every $10 that you earn. But if you go higher to level 6, then you get to test like newer features and be a bigger voice. And then ultimately on level 7, that is the ultimate level. What are quick hits? These are the polls and videos, and they are quick and easy to do. With the polls, you earn points for each poll answer. They're very simple. Sometimes like you have a lot, and then other times you'll have maybe 10. The polls are pretty self-explanatory. They ask questions and you select the best fitting answer for you. Videos. With the videos, you'll receive points for money for viewing and sharing the videos. These are like often just a short clip, and sometimes they're about movies. They're about movies coming out. The other times they're about like online products and services or in-store products. These videos are quite simple and the sharing is easy. You also have the option of opting out of sharing videos, but you won't receive any money for them, just points. After you view the videos, you rate them. And then you either accept or you decline the challenge that comes along with sharing it. Now, if you do decide to share it, they give you a personalized short link, a Facebook share button, and a Twitter share button, so it's really easy. If you share, you need about 4 to 5 people to view the video through your link. You'll receive up to 500 points and $1 if you successfully share the video with 5 people and they rate it. New actions. This is where you'll be invited to participate in discussions, receive invites to apply for hosting parties or sampling products. You'll see a red circle with a number in it when you have something to check out. My actions. Once you're accepted to a discussion or a hosting party, you'll have links to under this tab for each activity that you're participating in. Your first answer in this discussion is worth 200 points. After that, you can comment under other answers, which will be worth about 25 points. But you can no longer answer that question. Like sometimes they'll add questions to the already existing discussions, and then you'll want to answer each question as they pop up, as they will be worth 200 points. You can also like other answers to the questions and gain 50 points when you like 10 answers. Rewards and charities. On Crowdtap, you can cash out like Amazon gift cards, and I've cashed them out quite a few times. When you do the cash out, Crowdtap will donate 5% of the amount that you're cashing out and give it to a charity that you select. And this is from their participating list. You can opt out of donating more of your earnings, but you can't give less. The processing time of the gift cards takes about maybe 3 days, and then you're sent an email confirmation letting you know that it's ready for use. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty straight to the point. But with Crowdtap, one thing you have to remember is that there are a lot more challenges, so you do have to work a little bit more. But trust me, in the end, it is worth it, especially when you're getting the gift cards. That is definitely one of my favorite things about it. Some people don't like the fact that they feel like it's so tedious, but you know what in life has been easy. I always find that the hardest things always have the best rewards. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you all learned a lot of stuff about Crowdtap. And if you're interested in joining, then you can find the link down below in my description box. And I will see you all next Wednesday with more freebies and wins. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.